factors that enhance a home's value. Hello, my name is Cheryl Hazel and I'm with Realty 100 and the Cheryl Hazel real estate team. Looking for best return on investment on the home you're buying? Consider these factors, which Realtor.com identified by analyzing millions of sales nationwide. 1. Small size. Over the last 5 years, homes under 1,200 square feet, favorites of retiring boomers and first-time buyers, have appreciated by an average of 7.5% per year, while homes 2,400 square feet or larger have risen just 3.8% per year. Fewer bedrooms. The more bedrooms a home had, the less it appreciated since 2012. Homes with one bedroom increased by 7.2%, with those 2 bedrooms 6.6%, 3 6.3%, 4.9% for 4, and 4.3% for 5. Open floor plan. Having an open floor plan led to an average 7.4% appreciation. Less desirable, granite counters at 2.5%, and stainless steel appliances at 3% annual appreciation. Number 4, the right amenities. Homes with patios increased in value by 6.8% annually, while those with hardwood floors grew 5.7% and those with fireplaces 5.3%. Homes with views. Homes overlooking a park increased 7.9%. Those with mountain views, 5.1%, and those with views of water, 4.9%. Modern contemporary style. Newer trumps older in architectural style, with modern contemporary homes rising in value by 7.7% per year, followed by bungalows at 6.5%, traditional at 5.6%, ranch at 4.5%, craftsman at 3.7%, Victorian at 2.2%. Two-car garages. Homes with space for 2 cars appreciated by 6.4% annually versus those with 1 car, 6%. And those with 3-car garages, just 3.8%. Location. Homes in urban areas near mass transportation grew 8.4%. Those near good schools increased by 7.2%, and those near shopping by 6.5%. Click the link in the description for access to this information. Feel free to contact me on my cell phone at 754-207-4504. And have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, check out one of the videos below. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and to get the free download that accompanies this video, click the link below. And have a great day.